Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view watch history on YouTube TV. So in order to do it, you first have to come on YouTube TV, and over here in order to view your watch history, you just have to simply come on the home page, and most of the time you can view your watch history section here. Like you can see that I have the add to member section. Similarly, you will see the history section on the home page. In the second method, what you can do is you can simply go in your settings, and by default you will be on the membership page, but you need to come on the privacy page, and here on privacy you need to make sure that the toggle button is turned off. If it is turned off, meaning that you can view your search history and your watch history, but if it is turned on, then it will pause the watch history for you and you won't be able to see that on the home page. So make sure that this toggle button is turned off. So this is how you can basically view your watch history on YouTube TV. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.